Good evening. Today I'll talk about Vector Auto Regression in RStudio. In order to apply Vector Auto Regression, all the series or variables must be stationary. In VAR, all the series or variables are considered as endogenous. And in RStudio, VAR's package is required to apply Vector Auto Regression. I have already installed this VARs package. So now I simply load it in library. Library VARs and then enter. It means VARs package is loaded in library. I have data set of unemployment rate and inflation from 1950 to 2014, and these two variables are stationary at level. So let's start about this command for var. So var command is var then data dot frame variable name type equal to either constant, trend or non depending on situation. I assume on constant, then lag, it means that is optimal lag. IC is nothing but information criterion, which is AIC. Well, so how this maximum lag or optimal lag is 2? It has been selected on the basis of optimal lag selection, which I have already discussed in separate video. Now, this var value is stored in model 1. So simply what I do, I copy this command and then I paste here, and variable name are unemployment rate and another one is inflation. So I'm going to apply this, press on enter. Now the value of vars has been stored in model 1. So after doing this simply I write here summary and model 1, then enter. Well, let's talk about the outcome derived from var command. These are the outcome. So the first outcome is derived from this is, as you know that there are two variables. One is unemployment rate and then another one is inflation. So first and foremost, I'll talk about unemployment rate. Unemployment rate, as you know, that it is influenced by unemployment rate at lag 1, inflation at lag 1, unemployment rate at lag 2, and then inflation at lag 2, and finally this is constant. It means there are two lag in this case. That's why the value of lag 1 and the value of lag 2, similarly for inflation at lag 1 and inflation at lag 2 are given here. If I talk about this lag 1 unemployment rate, and this is the coefficient, finally this is standard error, and then this t statistic value which is derived with the help of estimate and standard error, and finally this is our p value. Well, there is 3 star. If you see here, 3 star means significant at 0. 2 star means significant at 1% and 0.001, and first star means 0.05. If I talk about unemployment rate, at lag 1 it has significant impact. Even inflation at lag, it has significant value. And unemployment rate at lag 2 has also significant impact on this unemployment rate. It means out of 4, lag 1 and 2 of unemployment rate, lag 1 and 2 of inflation, out of these, only inflation has insignificant value, right? These all are about model fitness and R squared, adjusted R squared, etc. Then let's talk about another endogenous variable, which is inflation. Here, inflation is influenced by unemployment rate at lag 1, inflation at lag 1, unemployment rate at lag 2, inflation at lag 2, and then this is constant. Out of these value, if I talk about inflation at lag 1 and unemployment rate at lag 2 have significant impact on current value of inflation. It means inflation at lag 1 itself has significant at 0, and unemployment rate at lag 2, it has significant impact on inflation at 5%. And these are the values of model fitness, R squared, adjusted R squared, etc. Hence, this is all about vector auto regression value. Thank you very much.